Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Simone, and for today's video she is creating a Rudolph face paint. The base of this face paint is created with a split cake by Diamond Effects, and this one is called Bear Sense and it has brown colors in it. So Simone first creates the head of the reindeer and then its body, which goes over the eye. Once that reindeer is on there, we continue to some Christmas leaves. This is holly. And these colors are created with green carpet. This is also a split cake by Diamond Effects. Onto red. This is a red by Maron Paradise. A lovely red color to create the berries that are in the holly. And of course the nose of our Rudolph. The antlers of our reindeer, created with the darkest color in the split cake. And then it's time for some black for an eye, the outline of our reindeer. And also an outline on the holly. Of course some white as well. This is white by Diamond Effects to create a few highlights on the reindeer. A few dots. And a few stars, of course. And the same red is used for the lipstick today. Isn't it a beautiful color? And with that, our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer face paint design for today is done. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.